Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. This is Sasha. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since my last video was uploaded. But yeah, I'm so sorry guys, cause I'm still confused how to manage my schedule. But yeah, finally, I'm back with another video. Even though this is a college assignment, but yeah. So as you can see in the title, here is an easy way to make a special gift. Ta-da! Let's get started. First, we need black paper as the main point here. Actually, you can use paper of a different color. And yes, here I saw the pattern so you won't have any trouble and can draw it. I used 25 centimeters for the width and 20 centimeters for the height. For me this is standard because it's not too big and not too small. And for the frame, the width is 4 centimeters with a height of 3 centimeters. You can increase the size if there many decoration you want to put inside. Then there is a small polywood board like this, and there is A4 size mica paper, and we also need a pre-printed photo along with cute decoration like this. You can find them on Pinterest or Canva. Just type in the stickers you want and they will appear. Because it's my friend's birthday, so I used her childhood photo. Cute, isn't it? And you can use white or gold markers like this for decorated. And of course we need pencil and pen. And if you have glitters, better use it. And don't forget about double side tape, of course. This is very simple because you don't need to spend time waiting for the glue to dry. Okay, let's move on to the tools. So we need a cutter and scissors to cut the paper. I hope you use a slightly large one so it's easier when cutting the paper. And the ruler, of course. And the last one is actually optional. It's a cutting mat. So if you don't have, so it's okay, just forget it. First, the main thing you do is draw the frame pattern and cut it out like this. If you're done, you can fold the paper along the lines you've made. Use a ruler to make it easier and neater. Actually, you can fold it directly, but sometimes the paper folds are not neat and it will waste a lot of time. And if you're done, the third step is use double side tape to stick the paper together. Remember, the part where you apply the double side tape is the outermost part of the paper at the very end of the fold line. Apply double side tape to all sides like this. and remove the paper so you can stick the paper together and carefully fold it forward until it forms a box like this. And you know guys, this is a bit embarrassing actually, but I suddenly won a translation and it's work. As you can see guys, the final result will look like this, but it's not finished yet. The next step is give the plywood board with a double side tape to make it stronger. And if you're done, we move on to the decoration part. So at this time, what you do is cut out each photo and sticker. I cut the sticker carefully following the pattern. You can leave a white border like this if you don't want it to be too difficult. After that, you can try arranging the photos and stickers first so you won't get confused when sticking them later. Here I placed the photo of my friend who is having a birthday in the middle because she's the main character. If it's okay, let's move on to the next step, which is sticking all these photos and sticker with double side tape. To make it look cute and adorable, prepare rectangular paper cut from the leftover paper used for making the frame, and stick the side edge with double side tape until it forms a ring like this. Apply double side tape again to stick it to the photo and double side tape again to the back. This will give a popping effect. And you guys can combine the popping technique and the regular one in the frame according to your style. And the result will be like this. It's beautiful, isn't it? You can add extra decoration with color markers on the edge to make it more beautiful and cute. And for the last step, use this mica paper to cover the frame to make it neater with double side tape. Finally, a special gift for a loved one is ready. I hope you like it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you and see you on the next video. Bye bye.